Hello everybody, welcome to Mama Lisa's Kitchen Magic. Today I'm going to make an onion chili omelet. Start out with 1 tablespoon of butter. I hope everybody's having a wonderful day today. Thank you for joining me. About 1/4 of an onion. Here I have 2 eggs with a little bit of evaporated milk, black pepper, and salt. Just mix them up while the onions are frying. The evaporated milk is going to make the eggs nice and fluffy. The onions are already brown, just the way I like it. I like that thick one in there. And then I'm going to add some chili flakes. If you don't like spicy, you don't have to do that. I love it. Make them toast a little bit. Be careful when you're breathing because they will make you choke. Onion looks nice and crispy right there. And then shut the heat off. Add it to a plate with some buttered toast. Taste